guys, welcome back, and I hope you guys are well. As you can see, because I'm not good at keeping this down, we're going to get into the Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box. I hope you guys are all doing well. Let me know down below. As you can see, I have a full purple look on, including purple highlighter, purple hair, the purple nails. I did a collab with a bunch of other really talented makeup artists and influencers on IG, so you'll be able to go take a look at that. If it's not out by the time that I put this up, it should be out the 28th, so make sure you give a follow. I can actually put that little follow right here if you actually pause the TV real quick and go to your camera and tap the little screen just like you would at a menu. A lot of times now these days it'll take you directly to my page, or you can just look for IAmJessicaGrey underscore GREY underscore. So all right guys, enough talking, let's dive into this. Charlotte Tilbury is a very pricey box and makeup company, and I did get a few other things that I'm going to be keeping kind of on the DL right now, only because I'm going to come back and do a full face of Charlotte Tilbury. So we are going to jump into this. How beautiful is this box without my fingerprints on it? I love this because you can actually reuse it as like a keepsake, and then it comes beautifully wrapped like this. Now I'm going to say I did already take one of these things out because I wanted to use it my birthday. When this goes up, it'll probably actually be my birthday. So I'll insert a picture here of my birthday look, and you'll be able to see that that's the palette that I used for that look. So I wanted to dive into that. So I'm going to hopefully nicely remove this, open it up, and it comes just like this. I did see a few other people got like little notes, like cards in theirs, and I don't see one unless I'm missing it. It's at the bottom or something, but you know, that doesn't matter. So you were supposed to get, I believe it was like $350 worth of items, and everything was half the price. So you got half the price of what you would pay if you bought all of these things together. So the first thing that I see that I got is the Charlotte's Magic Cream. Now I do have baby one of these open, so I don't want to open this one, but I love this. It looks just like this. It is whipped and gorgeous. I know that this one actually comes in a full, I guess I could open it. See that? Oh my goodness. Look at that snazzy opening. All right, and it says the magic dew of youth and luminosity in a jar. And I believe that the backstory behind this is that when she was working backstage with models and doing runway stuff, she needed to find things that would lively up their skin as they were doing, you know, each look by look, and you know, taking makeup off and putting makeup back on, that she ended up mixing something backstage and it became her patented Charlotte's a magic cream. So it's a beautiful packaging. I'm just going to put this right back into there, and how cute. I love how this goes together. Adorable, the packaging. So just so you guys know, I'm also doing the ColourPop mystery box, so you'll want to tune in for that. Make sure you hit subscribe, like, and leave me a message down below. Are you interested in seeing that? How do you feel about it? If you don't know, I'm hoping they're still selling them when these go up, but yes, they were selling 3 different tiers. So there was an 89, this is the next thing. This is the Charlotte Walk of No Shame, honey. No walk of shame here. But yeah, they were selling 3 different, I guess I would say, like levels. There was like a $29 box, a $49 box, and an $89 box. So I got, I think, the middle and the lowest one. I don't even remember at this point. So this is what I ended up using. I just thought it was gorgeous and it matched with the dress I was looking for. I will give us a quick swatch here. Yeah, I will say this. It looked beautiful. It was a very beautiful, beautiful look. Okay, I will say that the swatches don't really do this justice, especially these last two, but when it's on, it is a beautiful palette. So again, this is Walk of No Shame, so I love that. And we knew that there were two things coming, and I believe it was the Magic Cream and this. These are the things we knew that were coming. The next thing I have here is the Brightening Youth Glow. This is a brightening, color correcting glow primer. Now, I am a dew loving girl. I have dry skin, so I was excited to see these. I know Allie Dawson has oily skin, and she was not so excited, other than, like, you know, it's Charlotte Tilbury, so how could you not be, right? So this is a brightening youth cream, and I do not want to open this up again because it's another primer I'm not ready to use yet. I have a couple other dewy ones, and I'm not big on wasting, but I know it's another clear cream, and it gives your skin a luminous glow to it. So I believe that if you put them together, it's supposed to work perfectly with her foundation, which I actually have one of her foundations, which you guys will see. So the next thing I see here is this large product. This says it is the Superstar Glow Highlighter. Oh wow, this is beautiful packaging. It's like a beautiful seashell. Love this. Okay. All right. Okay, so that's beautiful. So let's give this a nice swatch. That's what it looks like there. And then we're just going to put this right here. Okay, so now again, not picking up the best on camera. Let's see if I move this light just a little bit down here, if it will do any better. No, wow. But what, yeah, you can kind of see it every once in a while. I would say this is not like a beaming highlighter, but I think you could probably build this up to be a beaming highlighter. Charlotte Tilbury is more of like the, how do I say this? Like everything is very like sophisticated. So I think this is more of a sophisticated, it's not this highlighter. You know what I mean? It's definitely more of a lit from within type highlighter. And I could definitely see this being, is it face and body? I mean, it doesn't say, not that I see, but I mean, you could definitely use this for your face and body for sure, and then still have a ton left over. And again, her packaging, just gorgeous. So the next thing I got here is a Charlotte Tilbury, right? Collagen Lip Bath. And I believe this is a, it says a collagen enhanced lip plumping effect. It seems just like a lip balm with collagen infused properties. I got this really pretty orangish color. My goodness, I couldn't open it for a second. Okay, so I'm obviously not going to put this on over what I have. It is a little heart for those of you that can see that. I really love it. It's so cute. Just a cute little heart. And it just looks like a nice corally with a little bit of shimmer in gold shimmer inside lip gloss. And I'm sure it's great for the lips. The next thing I see inside, I thought this was a lip that said black vinyl. It's obviously the legendary Volume 2 mascara. So I actually have and have been using her little Pillow Talk mascara. Yep. Can't find it when I'm looking for it, but I have been, promise. So let's check out this wand. Again, I hate opening up mascaras, but sometimes they actually need a little bit of help getting getting like the thickness and to their best life. So this is not a huge wand, not a small one, but it means I'd say it's pretty in the middle. It's got bristles and it's got a slightly different looking wand. It's like a little bit flat and curved, if that makes any sense. And then the final thing that I see in here, yes, is the Hyaluronic Happy Kiss Color Balm. So it's another balm, but it looks like a color tinted lip balm. And it looks like I got it in Romance Kiss. Ooh, so this is cute. The packaging. Sorry, the light, now that I moved it, is kind of blinding. So I know you kind of push these up a little. And then I'm just going to put it right here. Okay, so wait, that's not enough to show you guys. Oh, wow. That's a beautiful color. And it goes right with the No Shame palette. So I love that. I could definitely see how the gloss would be able to go with that really well. So everything in here I feel like is, goes with the next thing in the box. I would say that for the money and the fact that I didn't really have any of this, I have a small one of the what's it called? The magic cream. But other than that, I would say that it was a great value and I really enjoyed the box. Did you guys get the box? What do you think about the box? What do you think about my box? Did you get a different one? Because I did see there were slightly different ones. Because when I was first looking, because I can't wait, I have to be in the know. I can't be surprised. I noticed that there was like a light cream, like I guess it was the same type of cream, magic cream, but it was like her light cream. So I understand that there was a different one. But anyhow, what did you guys think of it? Are you interested in seeing a full face of Charlotte Tilbury? I really think that her products perform very well. And although these boxes are now no longer on her site by the time I got mine, they do have a notify me. You can leave them your email and be notified. And I know that they had a really great sale. I'm not sure if it's still going on, but I know that Charlotte Tilbury actually does decent sales to get a lot of her really like well-known great products for good prices. Well, better than they typically are. Good prices. But yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well. I've been sick. I've been going through some personal things, and like I said, I will catch up and get on here and talk some self-love things with us. But I really want to be able to do that, not in an unboxing, but more in a let's sit, talk, and get ready with me, like do a look with me. So like I said, just stick with me, guys. I'm handling my own things. I've got some good news as well. I just am tired and doing a lot, and I actually got sick a little bit again. So I'm sending you all so much light and love. Thank you so much for bearing with me. Like I said, please like, subscribe, share. I always forget to say this. And I will see you on the next one. I'm sending you all so much light and so much love. And like I said, when this goes up, it'll probably be my birthday. So another year that I made it, guys. And I'm thankful that you were here enjoying the ride with me. It really means a ton to me after the year and a half that I've had. So again, I love you all. Bye.